Murakaza neza kuri YouTube channel yacu. Nimba ukunda guseka, iyi video irakugenewe. Dutangire, let's go. Mbwira ukuntu wakwitwara ari weho bari gukorera biriya bintu. Dukomeze. Uraseka upfe upfe. Kari agaciye mu twikomereze.
Aujourd'hui aussi c'est un autre jour. Daïla. Le monde part en couille.
Video nimba yagushimishije duhe like, ukore na share iyi video, biratunezeza cyane kandi bizatuma tubakorera video nyinshi zimeze guca. Twikomereze na video ya Yampano ibiri kuvugwa. Tugende.
Abantu bakuru bari kubazanya muri groupe za WhatsApp ngo mwarimpaye ngo mwampaye iyo video. Nta no mushaka gusaba video y'ukuntu buhira imboga cyangwa se nk'ukuntu wakanda uruhu rukazavamo urukweto, ariko umuntu arajya gusambana n'undi mu buriri mukasaba video.
Niyo niyo gusaba.
Nta no mushobora gusaba.
Nta no murasaba application yo kuhira ukoresheje telefone.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Hey! Atasa! 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 Atasa!
Reka noneho tubereke ibyo Kakajwe agiye kutubwira, ibyo umugabo wa Vestine yapfuye na Vestine. Dukomeze.
Sasa hiyo ni problemi, sihitaji, nataka ile ya 3 million 4 million.
God have mercy upon us.
Oh oui. Moi aussi. Idrissa. Yeah. Yes. Good. Sasa
itasimama
Giza!
hata marafiki wanitenge,
Mama yangu.
kila mahali nitazungukwa na neema, nitazidiwa na nyimbo za sifa.
Niache I will talk to you. 2 minutes.
Wamejeshwa.
God have mercy upon us.
Nyuma y'ibyo noneho umukuru w'igihugu mureka tugezeho ijambo. Abo bantu bacuriye iki, bumvisha iki, ni ikihe kibanejeje? Twikomereze.
Coming back. I want to speak to somebody. Before your time of refreshing, there were customers that were running away from you. Favor was running away from you. Breakthrough was running away from you. Fortune was running away from you. But at the sound of my words, those things will begin to come back to you. I said they will come back to you.
Nimba video yakunejeje dusigire subscribe ukore na share, biratunezeza cyane. Naho ubutaha, bye bye.